Welcome. Today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application, and now here tap on the right upper corner and we can see that we're logged in here in Gmail account. And if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, you should log out from Google account on your device. To do that, you should click to manage accounts on this device, then select Google and just click here to remove. After that, confirm your action by click to remove again, and we can see that in Google account settings we say just we have not here logged in any logged in accounts. So let's just go back to the application, and here we can see that we also log out from Gmail account in our Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.